welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today is the first time on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so in the last few weeks, we've been learning about Yoruba numbers. Now, I can confidently say you know your Yoruba numbers from 1 to 50. Is that correct? Okay, so let's hope so, all right? So today we're going to be learning the Yoruba version to English alphabet nursery rhyme. So that's what you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I have done the Yoruba version of that for Yoruba alphabet just to make it easier and for you guys all to understand, okay? Yes, so as you know, before we go into all of that today, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language, okay? On the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Lórí ètò ní ti tòní, a máa kọ́ nípa orin alifabeeti èdè Yorùbá tí àwọn elédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa fi ohùn tí àwọn elédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àmọ́ máa kọ alifabeeti ti èdè Yorùbá. Mo kàn tún wò ni pé ó tún lè jẹ́ kó tún dẹrùn díẹ̀ fún àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi láti kọ́ kó yé wọn yéké gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀. Èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa fi ṣàlàyé fún wọn, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys, so I'm going to be reciting just the way you have. It's going to be the same rhythm to your normal alphabet, English alphabets, okay, nursery rhymes, but it's going to be the Yoruba alphabets this time, okay? As you know, Yoruba alphabets are called alifabeeti, okay? All right, let us go. A, B, D, A, F, E, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, V, B, M, A, B, D, M. Nígbà mìíràn ṣó máa kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. It's that simple. Give yourself a round of applause, and that is it. It is that simple, okay? So, I don't want to hear, Antideke, I am struggling with my alphabet. No. That is an easier one, okay? That is direct conversion of your English ABC rhyme to Yoruba ABD rhyme, okay? All right then, so that's gonna be it for today. Next week, I'm gonna be catching up with you again on some more interesting stuff. How about we go back to our proverbs? Oh, wait up. Oh, that's not my favorite one today. Yeah, but we have to learn it. As a Yoruba heritage, okay? Most of our conversation is surrounded around proverbs, okay? All right then, as a count of 3, we're gonna say our double, okay? On the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, double. Thank you very much, Eshu.